Hello students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7th. In the previous video, we have discussed about addition of rational numbers. Now I am going to discuss with you subtraction of rational numbers. So before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe this channel. So whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. Don't forget to write your name, class and section in comment box for daily attendance. Now come to the topic, subtraction of rational numbers. If you have to subtract two rational numbers in which denominators are equal, in that case, for example, minus 2 by 3 minus 8 by 3. So here you can see denominators are same, 3. So once you have to write denominator as 3 and numerator remains the same as minus 2 minus 8, right? Now in next step, you can't write two signs together, so you have to convert into single sign, right? So minus minus, for same sign you have to write addition, right? Plus sign. So minus minus becomes plus. So what you will write? Minus 2 plus 8 upon 3, right? Now minus 2 plus 8. Now in these two integer, one integer is having with negative sign and other will be with positive sign. Means having different sign, minus and plus. So operation will be subtraction, right? So you will subtract these two numbers. So 8 minus 2 is 6 and sign assign according to the greater value. So from 8 and 2, which one is greater? 8 is greater. So with 6 you have to write positive sign. So 6 by denominator is 3. Now convert into simplest form. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 2 will be the answer. Is it clear? Now in this example, subtract 7 by 9 from minus 5 by 9. Now you have to subtract 7 by 9 from minus 5 by 9. So which rational number you have to write first from these two? Minus 5 by 9. Clear? So minus 5 by 9 and subtract. So here you have to write subtract sign and then 7 by 9. Clear? Now in next step, denominators are same. So once you have to write denominator as 9 and numerators will be minus 5 minus 7. Clear? Now solve. In these two, minus 5 minus 7 having with same sign, these two integers having same sign as negative. So for same sign you have to do operation addition, right? You have to add these two numbers. So minus minus plus, so when you will add these two numbers, 5 plus 7 is 12. So and sign assign according to the greater value. So from this 7 and 5, which one is greater? 7 is greater. So sign assign will be negative, right? Minus. So minus 12 by 9. Now convert into simplest form. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. What is coming? Minus 4 by 3. Again, don't leave your answer till here. Convert into mixed fraction. So minus 3 ones are 3 and 1 upon 3. So minus 1 whole 1 upon 3 will be the answer, right? Now in case when denominators are different and you have to subtract two rational numbers. Clear? When denominators are different, here minus 4 by 9 and 7 by 5. In these two rational number, denominators are different, 9 and 5, and you have to subtract. Then in that case, you have to take LCM, right? You have to make denominators same first and then same process after that. So LCM of 9 and 5 will be 45. 9 5s are 45, right? Now make denominator as 45. So 9 5s are 45 and 5 should be multiplied with -4, right? Then you will apply this minus sign. 5 9s are 45 and 9 should be multiplied with 7, right? Now further solve. -4 into 5. 5 4s are 20 and here once negative sign is coming, so with this 20 you have to apply negative sign. Clear? Now next minus sign and 7 9s are 63 upon 45, right? Next step will be -20 minus 63. Again, in these two integers, signs are same. For same sign, you have to do operation as addition. So you have to add these two numbers. When you will add 20 plus 63, 83 will come and sign will be negative because 63 is greater than 20, right? Upon 45. Now don't leave your answer till here. Convert into mixed fraction. So when you will convert, what will come? Minus sign. 45 ones are 45 and when you will subtract 83 minus 45, then 38 will come. So here 38 by 45. So -1 whole 38 by 45 is the answer. Clear? Now in this numerical, subtract -7 by 15 from -6 by 10. So from these two rational number, which rational number you have to write first? After from that rational number, you have to write first -6 by 10 and then you have to write for subtract minus sign and then you have to write first rational number, that is -7 by 15. Is it clear? Now take LCM because you have to make denominator same. Denominators are different. So LCM of 10 and 15. What will be the LCM? If you have any confusion, then you can make a rough column and then take LCM by LCM method. 10 and 15 LCM is, first you have to divide it by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 15 remains the same. Then you have to divide it by 3. 3 5 remains the same and 3 5s are 15 and then you have to divide it by 5, right? So 2 into 3 into 5, what will be the LCM? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, right? 30 will be the LCM. Clear? Now make denominator as 30. So which number you have to multiply it by 10 to make it as 30? 10 3s are 30, right? And that 3 you have to multiply it with -6. So -6 into 3, right? Then next step will be, you can't write two signs together. So you have to convert into single sign. So minus minus plus. So here you have to apply plus sign. Now 15 2s are 30. So 7 into 2 you have to multiply. Clear? 7 into 2 you have to do. Now next step will be minus sign because there in these two single sign is coming. So you have to apply minus sign because single time is coming. Minus sign. So 6 3s are 18. So -18 will come. Then plus 7 2s are 14 upon 30. Clear? Now -18 plus 14. So different signs are there. Minus plus minus. You have to do subtraction. For different sign, operation will be subtraction. So when you will subtract 18 minus 14 is 4, right? And 18 is greater than 14. So sign will be negative. So -4 will come. minus 4 by 30. Right? Now convert into simplest form. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So minus 2 by 15 will be the answer. Right? So related to subtraction of rational number, I am giving you from exercise 3C one question, that is question number 3. All odd parts you have to do in your classwork notebook. Right? If any doubt, then you can write in comment section. PDF of this home task is also available in description below. Okay, bye bye.